Recently, these types of videos on YouTube, TikTok and Instagram are absolutely blown up, and you can make serious money with these types of videos. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can create this luxury motivational video. So let me show you an example video.
You say that money cannot buy happiness? Habibi, come to Dubai.
What is he doing?
I'm just kidding.
A poor kid once told a millionaire, "I'm going to be rich." Everyone laughed except the millionaire. Remember, you will lose money when you're chasing women, but you will never lose women when you're chasing money.
Now we know what to make, and you have to follow these 3 steps to get luxury clips, motivational quote, voiceover, and finally edit them to go viral. Step number 1 is finding luxury clip. For this, go to this channel called Free TikTok Background Videos. You can easily find high quality luxury videos for free. Pick one you like and download it. The next step is find trending audio. We are going to find trending audio directly from Instagram. Just simply type featured 𝗧𝗯𝗹𝗲. After you choose a viral video, click share button and copy the video link. And then go to your Instagram video downloader, paste the link and download the video. The next step is script. For this, ask to ChatGPT like this.
Give me 10 best motivational quote about money. It should be 15-second long for YouTube Shorts.
Nice. For the voiceover, we are going to use 𝗯𝗲𝗲. Copy the script from ChatGPT and paste the script here. And hit generate. Now step 3 is editing. I'm going to use CapCut for editing. The first thing I want to do is import the luxury video and our voiceover. To import our background music, click audio and select extract. Okay, now cut and adjust the video. And then let's make the video more darker. Click filter and find black forest. And do this to all clips. Now let's add captions. Text, auto captions and start. Change the font wherever you want and add some transition to look better. Now decrease the music between 20 up to 25. Finally we are finished. I'm just kidding.
Rule number 5. Success is never a coincidence. The Lamborghini company says that. We don't advertise on TV because our target audience doesn't sit and watch TV.
So guys, how did you find this video? Please let me know in the comment section and I see you guys in the next video.